Happy Thursday everyone. So it's Thursday the 13th of Feb today and Oakley's been dropped off at school. It's 10 o'clock exactly and I am in my scruffs because I'm being really productive today. My hair is up, which means I mean business. I'm doing like a nice spring clean of the house and I'm going to get everything organised and sorted out. Lee's also off work today. He is sorting the brakes out on the car because let me tell you, our car brakes are making the most horrendous noise. So we really need to get that sorted. So Lee is off doing that today. I'm going to go write a list of what my to-dos are. And I'm bringing you with me to give me a little bit of motivation and to make me actually get things done today. I thought I would just do a quick me do list and Lee do list for today because it gives me a little bit more productivity and I know exactly what I've got to do. Then I can literally come over and tick it off the list and know that my day has been very productive whilst Oakley's at school today. So like I said in the start of the video, we're going out for a meal tonight. I don't know where we're going, Lee's booked that. So Lee's mum's coming over to have Oakley. So today I just thought I'm literally going to stay in my scruffs and get everything done that I want to get done so that we can just chill before Lee's mum comes tonight, basically to have Oakley. And then tomorrow we're at work, it's Friday. Saturday I'm going to have to be packing for something because we're going somewhere and you'll see it in another video. Sunday we're going until Tuesday and then back at it on Wednesday, etc. So what I might do is do this video and then I might do a Valentine's kind of video as well to upload like on Sunday and then on Wednesday, and then next Sunday I'm going to put up the video of where we're going and what we're doing over the weekend. Well, it's not really the weekend, it's Sunday till Tuesday, but because Oakley breaks up from school on Friday, tomorrow he breaks up from school, we are having a little getaway. So I'm really excited to take you along with us on that and see what we get up to. But first I'm going to drink my coffee and then I'm going to sort this monstrosity of a kitchen out. Like, look at this kitchen right now. There is just stuff absolutely everywhere. If you can hear banging outside, it's because Lee is literally out there putting the new brake pads on the car as we speak. It's time to make dinner. I've literally already made it. I did it this morning. I've put up a reel. I put up a reel on my YouTube for you to watch of me making dinner, so go ahead and watch that. That should be live now. So next I'm literally going to drink this coffee that I've made so it doesn't go cold because it's right here and it's delicious. Then I'm going to fold away the dry washing and put the washing away and put on another wash load. I'm absolutely waffling again today, but that is literally my plan for today, to be a little bit productive. Get more washing done because that's one thing I'm really behind on. I feel like now that room, the utility is a little bit warmer, I actually want to get in there and do things, where the other day it was so cold and I was like, I literally just can't even go in there, like it's freezing cold. So I need to get like the bedding washed today. I've got literally a whole basket of like our bedding and Oakley's bedding and loads of towels as well from when we did the painting and the radiator like squirted water everywhere. We literally had to use most of the towels in the house, so they're all in there waiting as well. Still damp, which is lovely. So yeah, I need to get that done, and then I've got one big wash load of like socks and pants and boxers, etc. to go on as well, which will go in the tumble dryer, because that's the only thing I actually put in the tumble dryer is my smalls. So they'll go in the tumble dryer and hopefully be nice and dry, and I can take them out later. This is wishful thinking probably, but I've got my list today. As long as I tick off my to-do list, I'm going to be happy. And we've got until like 3 PM, so we have to go get Oakley to get this done. So let's go. Also, just sat here thinking, if anyone has any videos they would actually like me to make or they would like to see, please do let me know, because I'm always writing down different ideas and different things that I want to actually film. I would honestly say these last 2 weeks have been a little bit of a shambles of what I've actually filmed, but I'm trying to be a little bit more productive. I'm writing things down on lists now so that I can actually tick them off and get them done. Because like I say, I feel like if I write things down, I actually get things done. So let me know down in the comments if you have any videos you would like to see, and I will try my best to make them for you. How you doing?
Winning. Hello.
Almost one down.
Yeah.
Very
Should
good.
That?
No.
No way. Dangerous.
That-
But winning.
Yeah.
I've almost done one side. The other ones I just got to put the disc on and put it all back together.
Very good.
Doing good.
So the car was making like the weirdest noise when we was driving, like really high pitched kind of like as we was driving. We knew it needed changing, but that was the only one that was making that noise. So it was kind of, it's been happening for about 2 weeks I would say, but we only literally do like the school drop off and then go to work. So we was like, oh, we'll do it on a day off whenever we can, like as soon as we can. So they ordered all the stuff for it and he took it off and there's literally no disc on, like it's just metal on metal basically. That's what the screeching was, and it's left it all like the whole wheel's orange because of all like the brake dust.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid.
I put all of the clothes away now. There's the empty basket. I've literally just got to take this down to be washed and that's going in the bin. I've hoovered all upstairs and everywhere's really tidy and nice now. What is that noise I can hear? It's all nice and tidy, and I think I'm going to literally finish the vlog here for today. I'm going to get in the shower, and if you would like to see the next vlog of what I'm getting up to tonight, then please subscribe to the channel and you'll see my next video, which will be up on. Thanks for watching. Bye.